One of the most beautiful days we've had in Spain so far, regarding the scenery. We made it to the top, almost. I don't want to keep you under the impression it's not steep anymore. Still pushing the bike. We're expecting a lot of rain and thunderstorms in the next few days. Trying to escape this one. So we have to cycle a bit faster. But there was a sign that said, "Attention cyclists, strong in 15 kilometers." Well, what's strong? Strong wind, a strong decline, we're not sure. Trying to make it to the next city before the rain sets in though. That was amazing, it was extreme. I'm now sure it meant strong in wind, velocity, danger, abrupt changes in the road that you would not expect. Wow, this was crazy. Driving down those mountains, I mean, we came from the top. Driving down the mountains with 40 kilometers per hour. Narrow, windy little road, but it's also extremely cold. And the rain is slowly setting in around us. I couldn't film because I had to focus so much. But on the mountain on our left, you could see there was some hefty rain. The rain has set in, totally soaked us. It's a bit less strong right now, but we got wet. Good morning from Ponferrada. We slept in a hotel last night, which was really nice. I'm now sitting outside of a little shopping mall and Alex is inside getting some groceries for the day. We will mostly be driving through urban area today, so I checked that out in advance and I just saw from Google Maps and from Google Street View that there would probably not be a good option to pitch the tent and wild camp. So we booked us a cheap hotel. We hope that we can put out the stove because there's supposed to be rain all day. Yesterday we got soaked, it was crazy. I mean, we got to our hotel here dry, but then we had to go to the supermarket to get some food, and on our way back we were soaked. We have now officially separated from the Eurovelo routes. We drove on the Eurovelo 1 from Bordeaux till Spain, and then that goes to Madrid. But we took the Eurovelo 3. Now we're off to Portugal. We don't want to make it to Santiago, so we said goodbye to that path. We didn't use it that often anyways because of the bad road conditions. And now, driving towards Portugal, I think we will cross the national border in 3 days and we will be at the coast in 4. Always apply your sunscreen, kids. 50 plus. Even when it's cloudy, we are using sunscreen every day. We've already went through one whole tube of 250 milliliters within 3.5 weeks. Driving through the mountains again. Made it through 2 tunnels. One of them was 720 meters long. Now there's another one. Behind me you can see our hotel there. And we went over the street to a little lost main station for the train to do the cooking. We have pasta. We're sitting here, we're getting eaten by ants and burned by the sun. Good morning. We slept in this little motel. There's a restaurant downstairs. We just went down there to get some coffee. And I mean, the coffee is cheap, but they make very small portion sizes. As you can see, it's barely 100 milliliters. That's too little for me.
Behind the scenes video.
It's just so beautiful. I had to stop even though we're on the highway or the national street. There's another tunnel waiting for us. We've had a good lunch break in the shade, leaving Quiroga and about 30 kilometers left. We filled up our water bag on the gas station, and now it treated us to a cold beer. We also had to buy some more water because today it's so hot. We found today's camp spot. We're now getting the bikes up and I'll show you how we set the tent up. I think it's pretty good because it's quite close to the street. That's here. But still hidden. And we're not cooking today, we're eating something cold. For the first time since starting our trip actually. I just thought it's easier because then you can eat in the tent. Because the last few times when we did wild camping, we were attacked by numerous insects. And Alex was so generous. He's pushing 14 kilograms of water so that I can have my shower. Aww. So that's the little forest. Oder hier. The shower's ready. Geil. It is a bit more sloped than we thought. We bought a SIM card, and this little thing, you just put the SIM card inside and it gives you a Wi-Fi connection. So that's very handy. Mobile data is quite cheap here. We paid 20 euros for 140 gigabytes. That's amazing. Good night.